Call it an oasis of wisdom, motivational tropical touchdown, enlightening stars on an island, life's ladder across the ocean. Call it misty words to moisten a champion, a shoulder's strength for the weak to climb on, a vault of thoughts with wealthy lessons, the book of faith bringing blessings. Island Thoughts, Volume 2, handsomely designed with you in mind. Getting a copy gives the perfect find. You will trend into a blend of uplifting words and the hands of nature feeding you its pure treasure. A closer look at this book forms a pattern of hand-holding, taking you from where you don't belong. Get a copy of Island Thoughts, Volume 2.